What's up guys, and welcome to the 46th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. In this tutorial it's all about exhausting the heap. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is go right to the top and put in another header file. So include new this time. Okay, and now we can say void my new, so my underscore new underscore handler parentheses next line curly braces. Now we can say std n slash a the heap is exhausted, and we can move on to the next line. So if I close that off, we can say std exit parentheses 1, close that off. Okay, that should work now. Okay, now if we move on to the next, or even the main program, so int main curly braces 0 should not be there, curly braces. Now we can say std to the next line set new, yes, new handler, my new handler. That's done for us. We can remove that, close that off, move on to the next line and say long total equals 0, close that off, move on to the next line, while condition is 1. The statement will say const int block equals 2500000. So that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, close that off, move on to the next line and say char star gobble equals new char block. Close that off, move on to the next line and say total plus equals block. Next line std cout got the block, which is in fact 250, whatever that number is, 25 million for a total of, that's closed off as well. Move on to the next line and say total, and then put in a new line. Close that off. Okay, so we are still having an error. Let me just hover over this and see what is this unused variable gobble. This should still work, however. So if I run this, but before I even run this, let's just run through the program and see what's actually happening. In this program, we inserted a new header file called include and then new. So the header file declares a function named std : set underscore new handler that enables you to assign the address of the handler function to the internal new handler function pointer like this. So where it says void right at the top, we wrote this out, and then we can immediately write this out. So, and then where it says void my underscore new handler, a new underscore handler function. Then go right here, set the new handler function, and this is a endless loop. And then total plus equals block, allocate huge blocks of memory. So if I run this, see what happens. Build succeeded, and now we are having a loop. The heap will be exhausted right about now, or still carrying on. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.